My name's Peter Burrows from Towing and Trailers. Today I'm going to discuss lightboards and the legalities of them. A lot of people will come in and buy a small lightboard and think that they are totally legal to tow a trailer using a simple lightboard. We don't stock many due to the legalities. We start off with a small 3-foot lightboard and go up to a 4'6" lightboard. We keep them in bulb and LED and a few different cable lengths, etc. We'll start off with the simple 3-foot. People will buy this to put on a trailer that is only narrow, but they don't actually understand that this is not enough for the trailer itself. This is only suitable for a trailer that is up to 1.3 meters wide. With this being 3 foot wide, if this sits on a box and there's some mud guards and wheels on the outside, the trailer straight away meets the 1.3 meter width. Once it's reached the 1.3 meter width, the trailer doesn't just require the stop tail indicator illumination for number plates that this has. It also requires an additional fog light, and the trailer also would require triangular reflectors to be mounted on the back of the trailer, whether they be above it on the tailgate or elsewhere. The trailer would also require reflectors down the side of the trailer and white reflectors on the front. For more information on the legalities, please see the link below for another video where we go into it a bit deeper. When the trailer gets larger, this is a 4'6" lightboard, and it does have the triangles and the fog light that's required by law on a smaller trailer. However, if this was to be, say, mounted on this trailer here, the trailer is 5.5 foot wide. Due to this, the lights aren't far enough to the side of the trailer. They must be within 400 mil of the sides. This trailer has brakes, and because it has brakes, would also require reverse lights. And again, it doesn't cover side markers, front markers, but the fact that these lights aren't close enough to the edge just means that you're not legal straight away. With the width of this trailer, the overall width is over 1.6 meters wide. At 1.6 meters wide, the trailer also requires white lights on the front of the trailer, not just reflectors, and these can't be powered easily without cutting into the cable and joining in. There are larger light boards. You can get light boards made to order, and we could supply them, but we tend to steer clear because it's just as easy to fit the lights like this trailer has, to have them fitted in the correct place on the trailer, to have the white markers in the correct place, and wire them up from a junction box. Most of the light boards that you see do not meet all the requirements for the trailers that they are mounted to. We do recommend that you build the lights into your trailer and don't use these. These are okay as a temporary fix, or for something like a boat trailer where you need to remove it regular, then get a specific light board that's designed to do everything that the trailer needs. For any further information, please feel free to give us a call or see the links below for more information on laws and places, links to buy lights and light boards from our website. But we do strongly recommend to keep away from these except for temporary use.